So I was in the middle of painting my room while I took a break, really, and slept. But I was in the middle of painting my room, right? And I figured, why don't I just build myself a gaming computer? Because then I'll have VR, Xbox, and then a computer. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I figure the first thing I'm going to need is a case to hold it in. And I think this one will do just fine. Okay, yeah, the audio quality is a lot worse because I decided not to talk at these parts, but basically, in short, I had to cover up that crappy Canada sticker, and now I'm like, okay, yeah, look, I got a knife, and I cut out the main thing so you can see inside, like all cool computers do. Then I decided I had to cut out that. So I'll make a quick update. In the midst of cutting the box, I had to commit first aid, very well first aid, because I kind of cut my finger wide open, so that's pretty cool. I used high-tech things such as just a huge thing of gauze and masking tape, so that's pretty good. Alright, so then, yeah, I put an actual bandage on my finger finally, and I cut off the side. That's actually how I got it bleeding, because I was trying to cut the side, and I cut my finger. That doesn't matter. Okay, now here, I got the power supply in. Alright guys, here's a 3090, with a fan, of course. This is a GeForce RTX 3090. We're gonna put this into the PC. Here's the power. It's very large because this is gonna take tons of power. So we're gonna put it in right there. Okay guys, now we have the RTX 3090 into the PC with the fan. There's my very bloody finger, but right here we have the power brick. Alright, next I got the fans and the lights, but I ditched the lights later because I figured out that that hole in the top must be for smoke, right? So then that provided enough light, and then I got buyers paper cigarettes that are just paper, but yeah, high quality. So I had to incorporate the ashtray into this, so I thought it would be placed on top of the 3090, but no, it didn't want to do that, right? It wasn't going, so I placed on top of the power brick. That way the smoke could still go up and out of the exhaust hole. See, look at nice fit, and then there's the exhaust hole right there, demonstrating it right up there. See, that's just update on the finger. It's getting very bloody, even though the cut's up here. It's still bleeding, so it's pretty cool. Okay, I put in the fan, so the fan has power now. Then I realized I had another fan, so now I have all the fans going at once right here. And here's testing the light and seeing how well it holds up. And it not well is the answer. It doesn't hold up well whatsoever. It's kind of awful. It's like a tornado, and it was awful. So after some testing, I concluded the ashtray is not very practical, doesn't really fit, and this needs to be moved closer so it doesn't blow everything everywhere. So I'm gonna make some adjustments. We'll get to that. I thought maybe that the exhaust hole is just where you drop the cigarettes butts, but I remembered something, and I figured not to go with that idea. So yeah, I moved them around, did what I said I was going to do, and I incorporated a new light. Now the old light was gone, so I had to redo that part. And then I realized I was missing a CPU and literally everything else. So here's everything running, and as you can see, I'm just trying to test it out, and it's working just fine. I plugged in my crappy Mac keyboard and my Razer mouse, and I was just giving it a test. It works great. It runs everything. The newest Call of Duties it runs GTA, Cyberpunk. There's nothing this can't run. Also, when I was trying to put up my thing, I realized that I forgot to paint my room today. So, but he was just showing it all off. I think it turned out very well. Was it worth cutting my finger, wasting 4 hours of my life, and also making a huge mess? Definitely, yes. I would definitely recommend this product. It cost me about $30,000, I think it was in the end, but it was definitely worth it. Highly recommend